So Elijah has the hiccups again. So right here. Can you see it jumping? This goes on for like 20 minutes. That's all. It's just for you, Tia, so you can see them moving.